Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth's gravity suddenly dropped by half? It's a mind-bending scenario that would fundamentally change life as we know it. Let's dive into this fascinating thought experiment and explore the immediate and long-term consequences of such a dramatic change. Gravity is the fundamental force that keeps our feet on the ground, holds the atmosphere in place, and dictates the orbits of celestial bodies. It truly is the unseen anchor of our existence. Imagine, instantly, the force of gravity is cut by exactly half. What are the first things we would notice in this radically altered environment? For humans, the effects would be immediate and dramatic. Everything would feel twice as light, and simple movements would become challenging. With 50% less gravity, your vertical jump height would suddenly double. Imagine leaping over cars. This lighter feeling would be exciting, but quickly lead to issues. Walking and even sitting would become awkward. People would struggle to maintain balance, constantly overcompensating for their reduced weight and increased buoyancy. Over time, our bodies, evolved for Earth's full gravity, would suffer. We'd see rapid bone density loss and muscle atrophy, similar to what astronauts experience in microgravity. The stability of our planet's atmosphere and oceans also relies heavily on gravity. A 50% drop would unleash global environmental chaos. The atmosphere would begin to thin, as gravity's reduced pull allows gas molecules to escape into space more easily. This means a sharp drop in air pressure at sea level. The oceans might not evaporate entirely, but they would certainly behave strangely. Tides would be radically different, and the reduced pull could lead to water sloshing and dramatic changes in sea levels. Weather patterns would be unrecognizable. Changes in atmospheric pressure and density would fuel intense, unpredictable wind speeds, turning ordinary storms into catastrophic events. Our built environment is designed to withstand Earth's current gravitational forces. Half the gravity would mean widespread failure for many structures. Tall structures like skyscrapers, bridges, and dams, engineered to balance their mass against full gravity, would suddenly face new, unforeseen lateral stresses, leading to potential collapses. Unanchored objects, from garden furniture to cars, would suddenly become much easier to move, and high winds could send them floating or drifting away. Securing anything would be a nightmare. Aviation would be heavily affected, with planes flying at different altitudes and speeds. Space travel, however, might become slightly easier due to the reduced escape velocity needed to leave Earth's pull. A 50% gravity drop wouldn't just impact the surface, it could fundamentally alter the geological processes deep within the Earth. Changes in internal pressure and the flow of molten magma, driven by gravity, could lead to unpredictable shifts in tectonic plates, causing massive earthquakes and volcanic activity. Earth's gravitational relationship with the Moon would be destabilized. The Moon's orbit would change, and our planet's own path around the Sun could be subtly altered, possibly affecting our climate over millennia. While a 50% gravity drop is a fascinating scientific premise, the reality would be catastrophic for our planet. The loss of half our gravity would disrupt our bodies, our atmosphere, our oceans, and our infrastructure. We would struggle to adapt to the new, chaotic forces at play. This thought experiment serves as a profound reminder. Gravity is not just a constant, it is a perfectly balanced, life-sustaining force that we often take for granted.